What's going on, YouTube? We're back at it again with the Shitbox Camaro build. Today, we're gonna rip this old 350 out of here. It's supposed to be a built 350, but now it won't even turn over for us. We've been talking about cylinder 8 being a problem cylinder the whole time, and as soon as I rip the head off, completely blown. She's coming out anyway. I say my prayers, but I'm rusty as fuck with Arabic. Lord, take me as I am, cause I'm gonna come as I'm is. I might that twice if I look down and see my mama in tears. I gave her, but I ain't gonna never die. Bitch, I can never, what's up? I know the Lord watch over babies and fools. I did the coolie with this tool to put my babies through school. I took my last soul out the country, fuck that bitch. Alright, so real quick about my replacement engine before I put the heads on. It's a 010 block, already bored 30 over, 4-bolt main, really nice bottom end. It's got a scat crank, rods, pistons, a flat top. Came out of my wreck Monte Carlo from the last couple of episodes. Alright, so the guy that I bought this engine from told me it was a 406. This is a 350 block with a Scat 400 crank. The whole rotating assembly is aftermarket. It's like a 3.45 inch stroke, which the bottom end has already been clearanced for the extra stroke. Really, really nice bottom end. Now these heads I have here, they're just some 76cc chamber heads. Like I said, mild built engine, nothing too crazy. This is gonna give me a decent compression ratio, like a 9.5 to 1 area.
I'm on tour, I'm on the road, just hustling and shit. My baby mama cut me off, she had enough of my shit. I cash out stacks every now and then, like that's enough. She like at least FaceTime.
Yeah, I kind of ran out of time for today, so probably have to pick up tomorrow. Just gonna sit in the spot for now.
I say, lately I've been smoking on the rest. I don't want to hear you once. Lost 2 uncles in a month. Had 2 viewers, went to 1. And I apologize to smoke with a simple fact I didn't come. So we know the shit reverse. You be in my casket in the front, I know you would. Yeah, I know my mama, she'd save me if she could, but I'm just too misunderstood, I know you would. Yeah, and I had to leave them brothers alone for good, cause they just made me feel so good. I'm rolling woods, killer pain, cause I don't feel the same. I know some niggas I know my whole life, and I'm feeling strange. Remember we said the money came, that we never would change. Now niggas that used to be at practice only gonna turn in the game. See the score on the horse and the head on the horse. But all the pain that I endured, I got it with all these scars. When Shorty said it's love forever, I'm like, yeah, you sure? So to get myself together, put my head on the floor.
Alright, I got the engine in at least. That's all I really got time for today. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, all that good YouTube stuff. In the meantime, I gotta let this other car go, so I'll get a little footage of that before we go.
I seen them tell them stay up, cause I'm way up. Quick to make a